One of my favorite parts about digital fabrication or working here in the Fab Lab is actually the students being able to see these new techniques and processes and how it can actually be integrated into contemporary modes of making as an artist. So one of the students, Ren, actually designed a attachment that goes onto a prosthetic leg.
Sometimes prosthetics are a little ugly and a little bit dehumanizing because it comes as just a flesh-colored tube, but I figured, why not model something that can then, for other people, be interchangeable? So all of these come off. They're able to be disconnected through some more 3D modeling. I can make cutouts, make it say things, have little designs being patterned into it.
David is really into cosplay. So David's been working on a really complex kind of forearm piece that actually has hinges and parts designed into the form.
To keep it together, I made these little pieces here that will slide right here. The idea is that they will go together and hold it together around my arm.
So we have Larry. Larry actually did a fairly complex form where they did a three-dimensional scan of their head, and then they built out a multiple part put together with friction welding and adhesive.
I came up with the idea of like, hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. So it's kind of like a mask.
Kind of a wristlet or a piece of jewelry. I printed the wristlet flat, and then once it was printed, I heated it back up on the 3D printing bed and wrapped it around my wrist while it was still hot to conform it.
One of my students, Derek, actually created a Bakugan carrying case.
I digitally designed these Bakugan holders, which are these blow balls that turn into like specific monsters. And this clips on your hip for a belt, or on a belt, or just your side, and holds up to 3 of them. It's just based on like the TV show.
The Fab Lab here at the College of DuPage is a wonderful opportunity for students to take advantage of. Also, the facilities that we have here are top of the line, state of the art. We've got a lot of exciting opportunities that are happening here in the Fab Lab at the College of DuPage.